People ask me, what's a 2-alarm fire? I tell them, it's a fire that's twice as big as a regular fire. Should be there in about like 5 minutes. Come on! Ah! There we go, those flames on the roof. We did hear of a torn victim a couple blocks away from the shooting. Heavy police presence. Police are looking underneath the cars. Fight breaks out at that restaurant. Just heard about a stabbing in transit, and you know what they say, nothing good happens after midnight. So you mentioned you live in the area?
Yes, I do.
So how do you feel about this situation here? We got a cop shoving a BB gun.
Well, I mean, the violence has been out of control with the guns lately. So, you know, they said they was going to clean the area up. I think it's is really getting out of control with the gun violence, you know. I'm pretty sure that the lady that's running for commissioner is going to clean the place up. I hope so, because, you know, that could have been a severe situation where a cop got killed, and that's something we don't need, you know? A cop getting killed over here in Ravenswood or Queensbridge, it doesn't matter. It would just make the matters worse. The relationship between civilians and officers, you know? That'll make things just that much worse, you know what I mean? So I think that any gun violence, whether it's a BB gun or a real gun, it needs to just settle down, you know? It's pretty much.
How often do you know the shootings around here?
It's pretty often. Yeah, pretty often.
Yeah. How about crime this year? Do you feel like it's gotten worse or better?
Actually, you know, it's gotten, well, not just in this area. Crime period has been running rapid, you know? It's like these are uncertain times, you know what I mean? Especially with the situation that happened in Brooklyn, a guy just opening fires, just, you know, with an AK, and, you know, just senseless violence. It's just out of control, you know?
About the subway shooting, right?
Yeah, the subway shooting. It's just out of control. There's so many things are happening in the subway. You know, the other guy, you know, he was running around killing homeless people for no apparent reason. So these are very uncertain times, and I think that you know, something needs to be done, you know? Something needs to be done. It's just bad. It's just bad.
You want to give your name?
Yeah, my name is Rob.
Can you spell it?
R-O-B.
Thank you so much, Rob.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, you can get out through here, please.